Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the fuel filler neck support repair bracket for the Golf Mark II. It's fairly common for the original fuel filler neck support bracket to rust out on the Golf Mark II due to it being a water trap. But with a replacement not being available from VW, the only option was to go to the local vehicle recycle centre and get a rear body cut. This is no longer the case, as top quality parts manufacturer SSP have designed and manufactured this reproduction to the original OEM standard. If you're an experienced welder, it's a straightforward job to do on the driveway at home, but you must drain the tank and remove it prior to fitting. Always ensure that you have a fire extinguisher to hand just in case.